Coronaviruses are not new to our planet. Hundreds of these viruses have been circulating in animals like bats, camels, and cats for a long time. There are coronaviruses that infect humans too. In fact, one of them emerged several months ago and affected our lives in all the ways possible. Why and how did everything start? We can think of viral particles as coloring powder. Just by themselves, they bring no harm. They float in the air, they might get into our bodies. However, once those particles find a way to enter our cells, the rules of the game change.
Virus RNA, which is basically a set of instructions for building a virus, gets out of the virus particle and hijacks our cells. That then tricks our cells to start making more virus proteins, and as a result, more viral particles are created and then more cells are infected again.
Coronaviruses, just like any other viruses, are not dangerous for species that they normally inhabit. Humans are fine with coronaviruses and rhinoviruses that we normally get as the common cold. Bats and rodents carry different viruses without even getting sick. But when a virus that usually infects one species accidentally jumps into the other species, scary things can happen.
Spanish flu, HIV, Ebola, SARS, MERS, and COVID-19. All of these diseases were a consequence of a virus jumping from an animal to a human.
Once a virus jumps into a new host from an animal, it needs to change in order to adapt to a new environment, just like we do when moving to a new city. The virus does it in two ways, through mutation and recombination.
Mutations occur when accidental mistakes are made while making copies of virus building blocks. And recombinations happen when RNA chunks of two different viruses are shuffled together. The danger of many zoonotic diseases, including COVID-19, is not in the viruses themselves. It's in the reaction of our own immune system to them. When our body spots a virus like SARS-CoV-2, it gets into a state of emergency. Special molecules called cytokines, like little fire alarms, begin signaling our bodies of the danger. Sometimes cytokines signal too aggressively. This causes severe inflammation in our lungs and prevents us from breathing normally. We clear land, destroy nature, and interact with wildlife increasingly more. This makes new pandemics in the future inevitable. However,
everything is in our hands right now, and although we can't shut ourselves out from our environment, we need to learn how to coexist with